we're going to add fancy stuff on this ceviche by adding some slices of ripe mangoes or mangoes. Kabalo sa English na, pero mao na. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to make a ceviche, a fish ceviche or kinilaw. So please come and join and watch, of course, all the way till I'm done with this recipe. So we have this tarugho ready, or white marlin, for our kinilaw, and it is like half kilo, and this is worth of 250 pesos, which is 500 per kilo, and it's pretty expensive, you know. So I hope this kinilaw of mine tastes good. So we have this like tomatoes, baby tomatoes though. I'm going to use 4 pieces and 1 big onion, and this one is bunga sa talisay. I'm not sure, but just to have like another taste, aftertaste when you're going to have your kinilaw. And this one, and what is siling labuyo. This one is the Filipino killer na sili, and I'm going to have this like shallots or spring onion. Okay, and then of course this one supposed to be, I need a like suha or lime, the big one for lime, the green one. And then since I can't find it when I went to the market a while ago, so I need to like just use this limoncito or calamansi, or what is that, like baby. And of course we need to use ginger as well, and I'm going to add like some slices of cucumber, and what is that, of course, like just to have a new like flavor, I'm going to put some slices of ripe mango as well. So let's see what's the like finished product after I'm going to have all these ingredients like put in all together, you know. So we're going to put the tarugho. Here we're going to put the limoncito juice, okay? We're going to put the limoncito juice. Ew. That's a little bit. How only make the fish cook. And next is tomato. Okay, we're going to put this. Will be the sliced onions and spring onions. Looks so nice, huh? Yeah, it's time for us to put it here, and then next we're going to put the ginger. I'm going to add this squeezed ginger. I'm not going to make it like smaller because you don't like it. Yeah. Next is this one. I like crushed this, or this one is bunga ng siling labuyo. You know what is siling labuyo? Yes, this one, and it's pretty spicy. And next, let's just mix them all together first, okay? Let's add like a bit of vinegar, cocoa mango vinegar. This one, let's try. Just add because I think I don't have enough lime juice. And let's sprinkle some Himalayan pink sea salt. And now we're going to add that cucumber, like sliced cucumber. Okay. We're going to add fancy stuff on this ceviche, fish ceviche, by adding some slices of ripe mangoes or mangoes. Kabalo sa English na, pero mo na. Okay. So that's about it, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.